Hey everybody, I have a new CPAP cleaning machine. This is I'm assuming it's pronounced Clyn, C-L-Y-N. This has been provided for me, full disclosure, by the good people at topcpapcleaner.com in exchange for this video. Last time I did one of these, it was for this, the Clyn machine, CPAP disinfectant machine. And I want to show you the difference. This is the Clyn, and I like this one a lot as well. And this is the, where'd it go? Here it is. And this is the Clyn. So the Clyn is a little bit longer. The new one's a little shorter, and it's a little thinner, so it's a little more compact. This one, they all work the same. Basically, you put the tubing in to the one end, then you connect the other end to your CPAP machine, and then start it up. So here's the connection point right here. This is just a standard 15mm tube, and I've got this connected to my CPAP machine. And all you have to do, it's very easy, is just press the button on top. It's only got one button. You press it and you let it go. It's got a countdown on the display. It's 30 minutes, so when it gets down to the last minute, it will start counting down 60, 59, 58 until you're done. So you'll know exactly how much time is left every time you do it. And then if you want to stop it, just press and hold and it'll stop. Right off the bat, the big difference between the Clyn and the Clyn, besides the size, the Clyn is a little bit smaller, is the battery life. This, if I'm not mistaken, the Clyn is, let me double check, it's 4 to 6 cycles before you have to recharge. The battery on this one is a lot better. The Clyn will go 10 to 12 cycles of cleaning before you have to recharge the battery. So the battery has been much improved on this one as opposed to this one, so you get about twice as much usage out of it on one charge. So along with the Clyn machine, there comes a couple of adapters, and I'll explain what those are for in just one second. And also, there are carbon filters that come along with it. This is a new accessory that comes with the machine that didn't come with the Clyn. There are 4 carbon filters, and according to what I've been told, they will last you up to a year. This whole package will last up to a year. So this one right here is made for the ResMed Air Mini machine. You just put it in like you normally would, and then this will fit the ResMed Air Mini tubing. I don't have one to show you. I don't have a ResMed Air Mini, so I can't show you that example. But this other one, this is where the carbon filters come in. Actually, you can do it on both. It doesn't matter. They'll fit in either one. You put the filter in like this. So it's in there, carbon filter. Hook up your tubing, hook it up to the machine. And you got the filter in there, and that's going to filter out some of the smell. With these kind of disinfectors, there's a certain, it's a clinical smell. It's not a bad smell. It's just the way the air smells when it's cleaning the machine. If you're really sensitive to it or it really bothers you, then that's when you should use these carbon filters. Or if you just want to use it just for an extra layer of filter, then you can do that. Now, the way this works is basically it takes the O2 molecule and it adds another one onto it, so it's an O3, and that's what's disinfecting the inside of your machine. So other than that, I don't really understand the science behind it. All I know is it changes the O2 molecule to an O3. It's something like 99.99% of germs get killed with this process, so this works very well. Okay, now let me show you how to clean your mask with this. It's the same principle. You put the tube in on the machine, and then you hook the other tube up to your mask. And then the machine comes with a bag, a zip bag, and you put your mask in there. And you want to put the hose on the side opposite of the zipper. So when it's open, the zipper's on this side, the hose is on that side. So I'm going to zip it up. So your mask is contained in this bag that they provide with it. And then you go ahead and run it. and then it's going to connect it up, and it's going to run, and it's going to clean your mask inside this bag. And also it has a little battery indicator that shows you how much battery life there is. And of course there's a cable, charging cable, and an adapter. This is a USB to USB-C connection. The USB-C goes into the machine, and then USB, you can plug it in straight into a power source, or you can use the adapter and plug it into the wall. So the Clyn Disinfector machine ships from the US, and it usually takes 3 to 5 business days. I got mine in a matter of 2 or 3 days when I ordered it. So if you're interested, feel free to click on the link below. That's my affiliate link. It'll take you to the homepage where you can order this or the Leo or some of the other products that they have. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below, and I will try to answer you best I can. All right? All right, thanks a lot, everybody. Take care and be safe.